Alright, so I picked up this. It's a 71 F250 as a parts truck. Because I found the fenders are rotted beyond salvage on the other one. And I needed the front glass and a few interior pieces. But I think this is going to be the new build. I love the look. It's just got the farm truck look. Unfortunately, tailgate's a bit rotted. But I love the old school mud in the back, highway flyer in the front. I mean, it's got the look. The floors are rotting out. The passenger side cab mount forward is somewhat rotted. It's missing the grill, but I have the grill from the other one. The interior is not awful. It's got a more intact cluster. I have the radio parts and the glove box parts from the other. The seat, unfortunately, is just demolished thanks to the rats. But I mean, it's not terrible. There's a little bit of custom AC, but it can be fixed. I'm thinking I fixed the floors. The motor in this one is totally locked up. It's a 360. Of course, everyone thinks it's a 390, but it's definitely not. But the other motor I got running-ish. It's an automatic instead of a manual, which I think I might just stay with the auto. But I think this is a good one. It's got the split rim, so I'll have to either do that myself or just take the rims from the other truck because everyone's afraid to touch those. But I think this will be a good one. All right, I've pulled the carburetor off the truck. I got the top hat off. I just bought this kit. Try that out. It's just little bore brushes and picks for the jets that we can get in the small crevices. So, got a rebuild kit. I'm going to slowly take everything apart. I'm going to try and keep everything separated, take pictures through. That way I know how to put everything back together. They make a tub that you can put this in to clean it up. It's slightly acidic, it'll eat all this stuff off. Or there's like a sonic cleaner, I think you can get at Harbor Freight, where it just has a frequency in water, so you can like add a solution. It'll just shake this really lightly and get everything off of it.